In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to create Roblox games on mobile. Now let's get started right away. Now the problem is that you cannot create Roblox games in the actual app, but we have to go to roblox.com in our browser, and it will ask you if you want to continue on the app, but we want to continue in the browser. Now once you're here, you want to make sure you are logged into your account, which I'm going to do right now. Now once you're logged into your account, you want to click on create. And as you can see right now, it will tell you to download Roblox Studio on your Windows or Mac device, so that be your PC. But that is actually not true, because we can also switch to the desktop website version on your phone. Now to do that on iPhone, you have to click on these two A's at the top left corner and then click on request to desktop website. I believe on Android it is on the top right corner or bottom right corner, and then you should also see like three dots. You can click on that and then request to desktop website. And now we want to click on manage my games, just like that. You will end up right here, and now you can click on create new game. And you can choose whatever you want. Let's say I would choose the village right here. I'm just going to click on that, and then click on create game right there. And we have now created that game. We can click on it. And we can also give it a name, change the publicity to private or stuff like that. And then, you can just click on save and go back if you want to actually. And now once you've done all that, you can click on your name's place number 1 right there. And if you click on play, this would normally open up your mobile app, and then you can play it, but I'm not logged into my mobile app actually, so it's not starting up. But basically that will open up your game, and that's basically it. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.